We are in a city very close to Barcelona, in Sant Cugat. Fluidra is a Catalan company, Spanish company, founded in 1969, so it's 55 years old, and we're here in the headquarters. My name is David Bulta. I'm the CIO Office Director in Fluidra. We're a multinational in the pool and wellness sector. We have presence in more than 45 countries, and we employ approximately 7,000 people. Nowadays, cyber attacks are more and more frequent everywhere. The consequences for us could be catastrophic. We have a lot of data to back up. We are talking about 2 petabytes of data. And in terms of virtual machines here, we're talking about 1,200 worldwide. So huge numbers. The worst scenario is now the ransomware attack, because they encrypt your data, so systems are not working at all, and then they force you to pay for the de-encryption of this data. Hackers are very clever. They try to encrypt the backups first, so the company don't realize what is happening. After that, they go for the live data, and when they encrypted that, you cannot recover from the backup because the backup is already encrypted. We selected Veeam for the immutable solution. This means that when a backup is done, this copy cannot be encrypted or modified. Thankfully, for the moment, we were not under any ransomware attack. One thing that happens is we had fire destroying one of our premises. That fire destroys the servers, the virtual machines, the data. Fortunately, with Veeam, we were able to restore that data in another location in a question of hours. Fluidra is at the forefront of transforming the pool and wellness sector, and Veeam now has the capability to back up a big quantity of data on the cloud. All the components in the pool can bring us data. For example, the robot cleaning the pool can put data on the cloud, and we can make decisions on that data, maybe doing predictable maintenance. It sounds futuristic, but Veeam can help us do that. Their teams are really knowledgeable, developing solutions that are helping us. For example, when an employee leaves the company, after 30 days, Microsoft is removing this data. With the Veeam backup solution, we can keep this data with the retention policies that we define, so we have the control. Veeam allows us to forget about having data protected. For us, Veeam is not just a vendor, it's a partner.